Welcome students. Good morning. Last video we discussed about the examples of upstream and downstream, right? Now I am taking one simple example of upstream and downstream. See, I have written example before. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. See with all of you. Here time of downstream 2 hours, distance 20 km. Time of upstream 2 hours, distance 4 km. They have given this separately, right? So first we will suppose let speed of the boat in still water x km per hour, right? And speed of current or stream. Current means stream, flowing water, is y km per hour. Okay. Now we are knowing if speed of boat in still water is x, speed of current is y. You are knowing speed upstream is x minus y. Speed downstream is x plus y. This you have to remember, right? And we remember it. Very good class. Now therefore, we are writing now speed upstream equal to x minus y km per hour. Speed downstream equal to x plus y km per hour. So this much is very important. If you are successful in writing this much, remembering this, so further is everything simple. Now we are taking one by one. First we will take C. Here it is downstream, so we will take first downstream. We are knowing speed, we are knowing time, we are knowing distance, yes or no, for downstream, and upstream also we are knowing upstream speed, distance and time. So we are finding time for both separately. Now see, time downstream 20 km equal to what is formula of time? Distance upon downstream speed. Okay, therefore time downstream 20 km distance upon downstream speed x plus y. And you are knowing this time given to you 2 hours. So 20 upon x plus y equal to 20 upon x plus y equal to 2. So cross multiplication. We are getting cross multiplication. 2 multiplied by x plus y equal to 20. Therefore x plus y equal to 10, number 1. Now second, speed time upstream equal to what is the distance in upstream? 4 km. Therefore equal to distance 4 upon upstream speed. Remember it. Very simple students, very simple, I am telling you. Only your concentration is required. Distance upon upstream speed x minus y, and this much time is given to you 2 hours. Right? Now therefore we are now again taking cross multiplication. Can you take cross multiplication? See, cross multiplication. So 4 equal to 2 bracket x minus y. So open bracket x minus y equal to 2. Number 2. Now we got number 1 and 2. We are writing both equation properly. X plus y equal to 10. X minus equal to 2. See, plus y minus y cancel. X plus x, 2x equal to 12. So x equal to 6. Now put value of x in x plus y. We get y equal to 4 km per hour. So speed of the boat is 6 km per hour. Speed of the stream is 4 km per hour. Got it? Very good. Now we are taking one more example of the boat, okay, which goes upstream 12 km and downstream. See, I am reading one example. We will solve it. Right? Now, students, all of you, be just very careful and listen properly. Example. Boat goes upstream 12 km and downstream 40 km in 8 hours. See, upstream और डाउनस्ट्रीम आना जाना, ओके, upstream जाना 12 किलोमीटर, downstream आना 40 किलोमीटर, both in 8 hours. Remember it. Now we are writing this number 1. This is number 1 case. Then upstream जाना, downstream मतलब आना. जाना 16 किलोमीटर, आना 32 किलोमीटर in same time. Same time means 8 hours. So first we'll write the same only. What is that? Speed of the boat is still water, right? Yes. Speed of boat in still water equal to x. Speed of stream equal to y. Yes or no? And write unit kilometer per hour. Very important. Otherwise you get confused. Now you got it. Therefore, speed of stream. This is now known to every student equal to x minus y. Speed downstream x plus y. I told you write speed unit kilometer per hour. Okay, very important. Now we got this is the beginning, very important. Now take separate case. Number 1 case, second case. Yes sir, time upstream कितना डिस्टेंस है 12 किलोमीटर. तो फॉर्मूला टाइम, व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला ऑफ टाइम? डिस्टेंस 12 किलोमीटर अपॉन अपस्ट्रीम स्पीड x minus y. Number 1, right? Now second, time downstream डिस्टेंस कितना है 40 किलोमीटर. Okay, so distance 40 upon downstream speed x plus y. Got it? So these two both are in how many times hours? 8 hours. So we will add this now. Therefore 12 upon x minus y are getting plus 40 upon x plus y equal to 8. Right? Now 1 upon x minus y, I will assume u. 1 upon x plus y, I will assume v. See, I am writing 12 u plus 40 v equal to 8. I got equation 1. Understood? Now you have to keep in mind, if you are getting like this 1 upon x minus y, हम u मान लेंगे. Okay. Now second, time. What is second? Time upstream. In second case कितना डिस्टेंस है 16 किलोमीटर. So distance 16 upon upstream speed x minus y. Okay. Again time downstream कितना डिस्टेंस है 32 किलोमीटर. Okay, so distance 32 upon x plus y. Got it? And they are telling both in same time means 8 hours. So again we'll add this complete. This and this add 16 upon x minus y plus 32 upon x plus y equal to 8. Got this? All of you students? Right? Now again see 1 upon x minus y equal to u. 1 upon x plus y equal to v. So we are again writing. Therefore 16 u plus 32 v equal to 8. We got second equation. Now first equation and second equation we are writing here. See 12u plus 40v equal to 8. 16u plus 32v equal to 8. Now see students, we are having different methods: substitution method, elementary method, and cross multiplication method, right? So first, before that, let us see anything common. Yes, common. We are taking 4 common in this first. See, so 4 3 12, 10v because 4 10s 40 equal to 4 to 8, right? You can see here also 16, 32 and 8. What is common? 8 is common. 8 to 16 plus 8 for 32, 8 ones 8. So we got these two equations, 3 and 4. So these two equations we will be going to solve. Now we will decide. I told you cross multiplication is easy. So you know what is first step of cross multiplication? Write all terms on left hand side. So I am writing C here. Be careful. 3u plus 10v minus 2 equal to 0. 2u plus 4v minus 1 equal to 0. Now write down column of u, right? Column of minus v and 1. See u 3, 2. Yes. 10, 4. Minus 2, minus 1. Now you know this u upon. See, we will hide this column. Now 10 ones 10 minus 10. Sign of formula. 4 to 8 minus 8 minus plus 8 equal to minus v upon column of v. 3 ones 3 minus 3. 2 twos 4 minus plus 4 equal to 1 upon column 3 4 12 minus 2 tens 20. Okay, therefore see now, call it first u upon minus 2 equal to minus v upon 1 equal to 1 upon minus 8. Right? Now students, look here, u upon minus 2 equal to 1 upon minus 8. So you can solve this. So u upon, that is minus u upon 2 equal to minus 1 upon 8 minus plus. So 2 goes this side, 2 upon 8. So u equal to 2 upon 8, that is equal to 1 upon 4. And you are knowing u is what? 1 upon x minus y. Therefore 1 upon x minus y equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore x minus y equal to 4. Got it? Now again we will take this minus v upon 1 equal to minus 1 upon 8 minus plus. So v equal to 1 upon 8. So 1 upon x plus y equal to 1 upon 8. Yes or no? So x plus y equal to 8. So I am writing x plus y equal to 8. Got it? Now I am solving these two equations. Minus plus y cancel. 2x equal to 12. Right? So x equal to 6. And if we put x equal to 6 in any one, either x minus y equal to 4 or x plus y equal to 8, we get value of y. Let us put value of x in x plus y. चलो, yes, x plus y कितना है 8. Put x equal to 6. 6 रखेंगे, इधर आएगा minus 6 हो जाएगा. So y equal to 8 minus 6, 2. What is this? Kilometer per hour. You got kilometer per hour. So value of x equal to 6 kilometer per hour and value of y equal to 2 kilometer per hour. So then understood? Very good. But I see the video properly, listen to each step carefully, understand, then you will solve practice assignment given. Okay, best of luck.